Hi everyone. This video introduces how to make a copy of a Word document in 4 ways. If you need to keep your files and data safe, you can have a try. Way 1. Copy and paste in Windows. Right-click on the Word file you want to duplicate and select Copy from the context menu. Open File Explorer. Select a location to save the copied Word document. Right-click on any blank area and select Paste. Way 2. Open Files as a new one in Word. Right-click on the file you want to copy and select New from the context menu. Click on the Save button in the upper left. Hit More Options. Click Browse. Choose a location to save the duplicated Word document and change the file name. Click on Save again. Way 3. Open as copy in Word. Open Microsoft Word. Click Open. Click Browse to find the file you want to copy. Click the upside-down triangle icon beside the Open button. Choose Open as Copy. Click Save or Save as to save the file copy. Way 4. Make a copy of a Word document via MiniTool ShadowMaker. Launch MiniTool ShadowMaker. Hit Keep Trial. Go to the Sync page. Hit File and Folder. Choose the file you want to copy and select it. Click OK. Click Destination Folder to select a destination path for the synced file. After making your choice, hit OK. Press Sync now to start the process. Thanks for watching. For any questions, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.